Good morning to all my dear students and welcome to Zoology online class. Actually, I was continuing the animal tissue. So, that is the animal tissue, that is the under the animal tissue we were discussing about the epithelial tissue. Clear? The animal tissue is of four types: the epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and a nervous tissue. Clear? And we were discussing about the epithelial tissue, and today I will finish the epithelial tissue and we will just start the connective tissue. Clear? And under the epithelial tissue, you know, it is of two types. One is simple epithelium, another is compound epithelium. That is the epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue is of two types. One is simple. Simple means when they are arranged in one layer, they are called as the simple epithelium. And another is the compound epithelium. Clear? And under the simple epithelium, it is of different types, and we have discussed, that is, at first we have discussed the squamous epithelium, then the cuboidal epithelium, then the third one is called as the columnar epithelium, then the fourth one is ciliated epithelium, and the fifth one is, that is the glandular epithelium, and the sixth one, that is called as the sensory epithelium, and the seventh one, it is called as the germinal epithelium. Clear? So we have discussed about, that is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 7, that is the germinal epithelium. Only two epithelial tissue remains, that these are called as the pigmented epithelium, and pseudostratified epithelium. Stratified epithelium. So let me start first, that is the pigmented epithelium. So you know, the squamous epithelium are flat, thin epithelium. Cubical epitheliums are cubical in nature and having the nucleus is at the center. Then you know, that is the other, that is the columnar epithelium, that is the epithelium or the cells which are arranged perpendicularly. They are elongated cells. Clear? And the nuclei remains in one plane. Then the ciliated, the columnar or the cuboidal cells having the cilia at their free end, called as the ciliated epithelium. It is of two types, the kinocilia and stereocilia. Then another is the glandular epithelium, that is the columnar epitheliums are modified to form the gland cells, where the cells are large, having the granules and secretive in nature. They may be unicellular or they are multicellular, and that is multicellular. They are of various types. Clear? Then the sensory epithelium, here the columnar epitheliums are modified to form the sensory epithelium, where the sensory hairs are present at the free end, and that is the inner end is connected with the sensory nerves. Clear? Another is the germinal epithelium, which are cuboidal in shape and present in testis and ovary, and having that is the capacity to produce the germ cell by the process of meiosis and mitosis. Clear? Then you come to that is the today we will discuss about the pigmented epithelium. About the pigmented epithelium. That is today I will start from the pigmented epithelium. That is the pigmented epithelium number, that is the probably it is the number 8, that is the pigmented epithelium. Pigmented epithelium. Pigmented epitheliums are nothing but the modified form of the columnar cells. They are the modified form of the columnar cells, where the cells contains a large number of pigments. Large number of pigments. Are you understanding what is pigment? These are the pigments. Dana haiki thibo cell bhitre, cytoplasm bhitre. That is called as the pigment. So that is the pigment epithelium is nothing but the modification of some of the columnar epithelium, where the cells are nucleated and contains the pigment in the cytoplasm. Pigment in the cytoplasm. बुझियाला एवडा को columnar epithelium cell को through modification ହେଇची बा रूपांतरित ହେଇकी एठी that is the pigmented epithelium ହେଇची जोटी cell रे गुडाय pigment अछि बा granules अछि. Clear? And एटा कोठी अछि ना these are found in the basal layers of the retina of the eye. आखिरो जो inner layer अछि आखिटा एमती. So this is the eye. This is the lens. And this is the retina. The inner layer is the retina. The inner layer is, this is sclera, this is choroid, and this is the retina. In the inner layer of the retina, that is the pigmented epithelium is present, which that is absorbs the excess amount of light which enters through into the that is the eye. यार काम होची excess light जो गुड़ा को sunlight रो excess light जदि आई भीतर को पसिबो ताले ये ताको कौन करिवो ना absorb करिवो. The cells possess that is the power, that is the it absorbs the excess of sunlight which enters into the eye, Are you understanding me not? So let me repeat again. The pigmented epithelium are the epithelium which has been modified from the cells of the columnar cells, or that is the modification or modified form of the columnar epithelium, where the cells contains a large number of pigments, and they are present, or it is present in that is the inner layer of that is the inner layer or basal layer of that is the retina of the eye, where it absorbs the excess amount of light or sunlight which enters into the eye. So the excess amount eye भितर को light pass करची तेणु ताकू से absorb करनबो हला. So this is called as the pigmented epithelium, and the pigmented epithelium are also present in other region. Clear? So this is all about the pigmented epithelium. Then you come to that is the pseudostratified epithelium. Then the last, that is the one of the, that is the simple epithelium, that is called as the pseudostratified epithelium. Pseudostratified epithelium. Pseudostratified epithelium. You try to understand me. Pseudo means false. I have told you that is many times. Pseudo means false. Stratified, it is, that is a type of compound epithelium. एटा गोटे compound epithelium रो ना हला pseudo means false. Stratified होची, that is a compound epithelium. It is the name of a compound epithelium. Clear? But it is a false compound epithelium. That means actually it is a simple epithelium, but it appears the compound. But it appears the compound. How? You see, here this is the basement membrane, and the cells which are present on the basement membrane are of different size. That means are of different size. Clear? So different size, and the nucleus remains in different layer. So these are the basal cells, which are small cell. These are called as the basal cell, and that is the tall or elongated cells remains towards the free surface, and they may contain the cilia or mucus secreting the glands, or mucus secreting the properties, or mucus secreting properties. Are you understanding me now? तो एटा बेसमेंट मेम्ब्रेन ऊपर ये सेल गुड़ाक अच्छी, ये सेल गुड़ाक डिफरेंट साइज, किछि छोट किछि बड़. छोट गुड़ाक जिते रे से गुड़ाक जना पड़े गोटे लेयार रे अच्छंती बोली, आउ बड़ गुड़ाक जो गुड़ाक रे से जना पड़ा आउ गोटे लेयार रे अच्छंती बोली. किंतु समस्तंकर बेसाल रिजियन जस्ट बेसमेंट मेम्ब्रेन ऊपर रही, बा सबू सेल गुड़ाक रेस्ट होती क्या उपरे ना basement membrane upre. So it is a simple epithelium, consists of a single layer, but it appears double because of their different length. जेहेतु किछि छुटिया सेल से माने जना पड़िबे गोटे लेयर रे अछंती, आ गोटे लेयर होची लंबा लंबा सेल से जना पड़िबो आ गोटे लेयर रे अछंती, किंतु समस्ते बेसमेंट मेम्ब्रेन उपरे अवस्थापित. तेणु एटा इट इज ए सिंपल एपिथेलियम, बट इट appears a compound epithelium. So it is called as pseudostratified. Pseudo means false, stratified hochi, that is the name of a compound epithelium. So it is a false, that is the compound epithelium or stratified epithelium. Clear? And it is found in the trachea and the large bronchus and the bronchioles, etc. It is, and also vas efferentia male reproductive tract रे एगुड़ाक रहिबो हला, आउ एगुड़ाक तार धियर रहिबो हला. That means this is the pigmented epithelium, and this is pseudostratified epithelium. Pigmented epitheliums where the cells contains the pigment, and a pseudostratified epithelium, it is actually a simple epithelium, but it appears as a compound, as because they are cells which are, that is present on the basement membranes, are of a different length. Some are small and some are large. And the large cell, that is may bear the cilia, and that is the mucus secreting property, and these are found in the trachea. Eta hoche trachea, a trachea, and the bronchus, main bronchus and bronchioles, and also that is in the vas deferens, male reproductive system re achi vas deferens and epididymis segudako hala. So this is all about the simple epithelium. So the simple epithelium is, that is the completed. Then after you come to the compound epithelium. It's clear? That is the compound epithelium. The compound epithelium, I have told you, this is a type of epithelium where the cells are arranged in more than one layers. In more than one layers. This is called as the compound epithelium. This is arranged in more than one layers. This is called as the compound epithelium. Clear? And the compound epitheliums is of mainly two types. One is, that is the stratified epithelium. Stratified epithelium. And another is the transitional epithelium. Transitional epithelium. So first of all, you come to, that is the stratified epithelium. Clear? The stratified epithelium, here the cells are arranged more than one layers. More than one layers. It is about, that is 6 to 7 layers. It is about 6 to 7 layers. Clear? And it is mainly present. It is mainly present where, that is wear and tear takes place due to the friction. It is mainly, that is, it is mainly present, or that is, it is found where the wear and tear takes place due to the friction. Are you understanding me or not? एठी सेल गुड़ाक मोर देन वन लेयर रे रहिबे. पाखापाखि केतटा लेयर रे रहिबे ना 6 रु 7टा लेयर रे रहिबे. क्लियर? देन दैट इज 6 रु 7टा लेयर रे रहिले. आउ कोन हला ना एटा कोउटी रेखा हबो ना जोटी बेसिक घर्षण होतुबो, छिडुथुबो, घर्षण होतुबो चमरे, जिभरे, वेजाइना ऑफ द फीमेल ऑफ द मामल हला. इन दिस रीजन टंग and skin and the vagina of the female. Vagina means female जोटी मेल कॉपुलेशन करे हला. दैट इज द रिप्रोडक्शन ले जोटी कॉपुलेशन करिवो सेही जगह रे एगुडा को अछि जोटी सबले घर्षण होउची आ ऊपर सेल गुडा को छिडी जाउची. छिडी की से सेल गुडा को नष्ट होई जाउची. एटु सेल गुडा को नष्ट होई की बाहरी जीवो. ए ऊपर सेल गुडा नष्ट होई की बाहरी जाउथो. सेही जगह रे एई प्रकार लेयर, दैट इज द स्ट्राटिफाइड एपिथेलियम रहिबो. And that is the innermost layer which present just above the basement membrane. This is the basement membrane. This is the basement membrane. That is the innermost layer which remains just above the basement membrane is called as the generative layer. Is called as the generative layer. Because these cells divides and redivides to form new cells always. ए सेल ए लेयरटा कौन करिवो डिवीजन रिडिवीजन करिके नुआ सेल तैयारी करिवो. नुआ सेल कौन हबो ना एई ऊपर जो सेल गुडा को छिड़ी जाउची तेनु यार कौन हबो थिकनेसटा कमी जीवा कथा ना. ये थिकनेसटा कमीबो नै कारण ये सेलटा ए लेयरटा पुनी तळु को चल जीवो कारण ता तळु आ गोटे लेयर डेवलप हेलानी. बुझियौची. सो दिस इज द जनरेटिव लेयर एंड दैट इज बाय द रिपीटेड डिवीजन न्यू सेल्स आर formed, that is by which, that is the thickness of the, that is the organ or the, that is the structure does not decreases, does not decrease. Clear? That means always, that is the due to the friction, the upper layer cells or uppermost outermost cells are flat and ruptured continuously due to the friction. सो जदि फ्रिक्शन है कि ऊपर लेयरटा छिड़ी जीवो ताने कोन हबो जीभटा सबले कथा कहउचे खाउचे तानेटा कोन हबो ऊपर लेयरटा छिड़ले सेटा पतला आइबो ना. ए तळ लेयर जो सेल गुडा कहउची ये सेल गुडा को नुवा सेलटा कोन करिवो ता थिकनेसटा को समान रखिवो. थिकनेसटा को समान रखिवो. स्किन फिन एक्सेट्रा. क्लियर? दैट इज द स्ट्राटिफाइड एपिथेलियम is a compound epithelium where the cells are arranged in more than one layers, and this type of tissue or this type of stratified epithelium is found where the wear and tear takes place, like the tongue, the vagina of the female, and this epidermis or the skin of the mammal, where the outermost cells are flat and detached regularly, that is by the friction. The innermost layer, which is present just above the basement layer or basement membrane, is called as the generative layer or generative cells, which divides and redivides, and which divides and forms a new cell to fulfill that gap, That means by the friction, that organ does not, that is thin. That is maintain its thickness due to that is the addition of new cells. Eti puruna cell gala ko ye nuwa cell taku tiyari koruchi hala. So this is called as the stratified epithelium, and the stratified epithelium is again of two types. One is keratinized stratified epithelium, another is non-keratinized that is epithelium. Keratinized epithelium and a non-keratinized epithelium. What is the meaning? Keratinized means, that is here the outer layer of the stratified epithelium. Here in this keratinized type of epithelial, that is stratified epithelium, the outer layer of this epithelium, outer cells or outer layer, the cells of the outer layer become dead and non-nucleated, become dead and non-nucleated due to the deposition of that is the branched and insoluble horny protein known as keratin. That is, in keratinized stratified epithelium, the outermost layer or the cells of the outermost layer is dead or are dead. That is the waterproof as well as non-nucleated due to the presence of insoluble dead or insoluble branched horny protein called as the keratin. बुझे keratin बोले गोटे प्रोटीन जोटा horny माने सिंह जातीय हला, that is horny as well as non-living, that is the non-living protein, that is the branched, that is the horny insoluble protein is deposited in the outermost of the cells or the cells of the outermost layer. Clear? जहाँद्वारा कि ये सेल गुड़ाक मरी जाती है एगुड़ाक कईट रहे ना इन द ड्राई सरफेस लाइक द स्किन लाइक आवर स्किन एटा वाटरप्रूफ जेहेतु वाटरप्रूफ आम पानी रे पशिले आम देह में पानी पशिब ना बा आम जब हाथ को गुड़े गोटे गुड़े रखा आम बॉडी भितर को पानी पशिब ना कारण इट इज ए वाटरप्रूफ लेयर किंतु गोटे गछ फच एमती पकईदे से पानी शुषिकी फुलीज किंतु आमर यहाँ कौन हम ना पानी पशिब ना बिकॉज द keratin is present in outermost layer, the stratified layer, and that is for that it is called as the keratinized stratified epithelium. Then you come to the non-keratinized epithelium where the keratin is absent in the outermost layer and the cells are living where that is the outermost layer does not or do not contains that is the keratin and they are living with the nucleus. Clear? They are called as the non-keratinized epithelium. एटा कोटी अच्छी ना इट इन वेट सरफेस जोड़ा उदा जगह एटा सुखिला जगह रहिला एटा उदा जगह को जगह रे ना इन द इनर लाइनिंग ऑफ द बोकाल कैविटी टंग एंड द भेजाइना होचे गोटे कैनाल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर जोटी मेल कोन करे ना कॉपुलेशन करे हला. So vagina of the female एटा that is a non-keratinized epithelium. So this is all about the stratified epithelium. Stratified epithelium is a compound epithelium where the cells are arranged in 6 to 7 layers. The outermost cells are, that is the, and this type of epithelium is found where the wear and tears occurs and the cells are, that is, detached from the outer surface due to the friction. Clear? And the cells which is innermost layer which is present just above the basement membrane is called as the generative layer, or that is contains the generative cells which has the capacity to divide repeatedly, and by which the new cells moves upward and fulfills the, that is the detached, or fulfills the gap, or that is the thickness, or it maintains the thickness of that organs. Clear? Otherwise, that is it maintains the thickness of that organ. And it is of two types. One is keratinized, another is non-keratinized, where the cells of the outermost layer contains the keratin. Keratin is a insoluble dead protein which that is the deposited in the cells of the outer layer. So the outer layer becomes the dead, and that is the waterproofs and non-nucleated. It is found in the dry surface like our epidermis of the skin. In non-keratinized, the outer epithelium or outer layers of the stratified epithelium, that is, does not contain, or the cells do not contain that is the keratin. So it is found in the wet surface like your tongue, inner layer of the buccal cavity, and the inner lining of the vagina. So this is all about the stratified epithelium. So you come to the next, that is called as the transitional epithelium. That is the transitional epithelium. The transitional epithelium, from its name, it is very clear that from its name it is very clear that it is transitional means in between. Transitional. ମୁଁ ଏଟା କହିଥିଲି କେଇଟି ନା at the time of classification, that is the amphibians are transitional between, or the animals of the amphibian group are a transition between water and land, ମଝିକା, ତେଣୁ ସେମାନେ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି amphibious. Similarly, it is a transitional or that it is a transitional epithelium, means it is in between the simple and compound. It is in between the simple epithelium and compound epithelium. What does it mean? It means that it is not more than 3 layers. It is not more than 3 layers. That is, the inner layer which remains in just above the basement membrane, they are the columnar or they are the cuboidal, and the middle one is, that is the club shaped. Club means mudgara, empty club, hala, and the uppermost cell are dome shaped. Man ball bhaliya, electric ball bhaliya aithibo, they are the dome shaped. Clear? So, and this here there is no basement membrane. Instead of a basement membrane, that is elastic connective tissue like layer is present, or elastic layer is present. Clear? Instead of the basement membrane, that is the elastic connective tissue layer is present. Clear? Because these cells have the capacity to stretch about 1 to 2 cell thick. तामाने एटा दीटा गुटे की दीटा सेल रो थिकनेस पर्यंत माने उसारी जाई परिबे. सपोज दिस इज दी ए वाला छुटिया सेल टा अछि, ये उसारी की एमती दीटा की तीनटा सेल लेंथ पर्यंत बढ़ी पारिबो. हला जदि एटा दीटा की तीनटा सेल बढ़िबो, ते अनुसार बेसमेंट मेम्ब्रेन टा दि न बढ़िबो, ताली याउ आर किछि बढ़िबार काम रहिबोनी. सो इनस्टेड ऑफ द बेसमेंट मेम्ब्रेन, माने बेसमेंट मेम्ब्रेन परिवर्ते एटी गुटे इलास्टिक लेयर रहिबो, जोटा कि यार स्ट्रेचिंग सहित सी भी स्ट्रेच करिवो. क्लियर? सो दिस इज the transitional epithelium. Transitional means it is in between, that is the simple and compound. Clear? Because it comprises of only 2 to 3 layers. Only 2 to 3 layers of the cells. The lowermost cells which are present just above the, that is the basement membrane, or that is the elastic tissue layer, that is called as the, its shape is, that is the columnar or cubical. Just above the middle layer, it is called, it is the club shaped. It is the club shaped. And above that, that is the dome shaped. Clear? And these are found in the urinary bladder. परिस्रार थलीर इनर लेयर रहिबो. आउ कोट रहिबो यूरेटर. किडनी पाखरु जो दीटा ट्यूब आसीची आसिकी एठी का सहित लागिची ना एई जो परिस्रा थली सहित लागिची हला एइटार इनर लेयर रे एई सब लेयर रहिबो. काहे कि रहिबो? कारण तमे सिना चुपचाप कि ठिया हैचो आमे बसिचु किंतु एठी किडनी कोन करछि ठुप ठुप करिकि परिस्रा सब तैयारी करुछि. एठी ठप ठप है कि पडुछि हला. मन कर मो क्लास नउछि तमे किंतु परिस्रा करिया पई जाई न हला. किंतु या द्वारा कोन हबो परिस्रा तो पडुछि आस्ते आस्ते परिस्रार वॉल्यूमटा बढ़िबो. बढ़िले एटा प्रेशर पकेइबो. एई प्रेशर रे एटा कोन करिवो ना स्ट्रेच हेई पारिवो. एटा 2टा कि 3टा लेयर पर्यंत बा सेल थिकनेस पर्यंत स्ट्रेच हेई पारिवो. आउ एटा होछि यूरेटर. एई ट्यूब गुडा को कहंती यूरेटर. यूरेटर एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द यूरिनरी ब्लडर. जोठी परिस्रा कौन होची ना स्टॉक है कि रोची, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द यूरिनरी ब्लडर. आउ किडनी रू जो पाइप 2टा आसीची जोटा आसिकी परिस्रा थली की जुड़ीची, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द यूरेटर. तेणु ए यूरेटर आ यूरिनरी ब्लडर एगुड़ाक ए प्रकार ट्रांजिशनल एपिथेलियम द्वारा तैयारी, जहाँद्वारा कि एटा कौन हम तुम बस रे जाऊच परिस्रा लगिलानी किंतु बस अटकू ना. तेणु कौन कर ना से स्ट्रेच करिका किसी समय पर्यंत तुमको ता भितर अधिका परिस्रा रखी पारिबो हला. तो तापर एटा होचे एटा इलास्टिक इन नेचर. These cells are more or less elastic in nature. They can be stretched or they can stretch up to 1 or 2 cell thickness. Clear? So this is all about the transitional epithelium. Clear? Then you come to the, this is with this, that is the epithelial tissue is finished. Clear? Then you are completed. Then you come to the, that is the connective tissue. Then you come to the next, that is the tissue which is the largest, that is the amount of tissue in our body. That is the question may ask, someone will ask you a question, that is which tissue is present in maximum amount in your body. That is the connective tissue. That is the connective tissue. Connective tissue is, that is the connective tissue. So the connective tissue is the most abundant. The connective tissue is most abundant and widely distributed in our body and present at every part of our body, and it contains about 20 to 30% of our body weight. आम बॉडी रो ये 20 ରୁ 30% बॉडी वेट रो, बॉडी मास रो बा बॉडी मास रो ये कौन करछि ना अमाउंट किए अछि ना कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. आम बॉडी भितरे सबुठारु बेसी टिश्यू किए ना कनेक्टिव टिश्यू हला. कई जदि क्वेश्चन पचारिबो व्हिच टिश्यू इज maximum in your body, that is the connective tissue is the maximum amount in our body. Clear? It is widely distributed and present every part of the body. सब part रे connective tissue अच्छी and it is 20 to 30% of our total body mass. Clear? And it is originated from that is the mesodermal germ layer or mesodermal layer. That is, I have told you, that is the epithelial tissue develops from 3 layers: ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. But the connective tissue develops from the mesodermal layer. Mesodermal layer. So what is the most important properties of the connective tissue? The first, it helps to connect. That is, it is a property or it is the characteristics of the, not characteristic, it is the function or it is the property. It helps to connect the different tissue or it binds different tissue and forms different organs Then after, it connects different organs along with the skeletal elements to form an integrated structure. Are you understanding me or not? Se kahuchi connective tissue kon korchi other tissue manku dhariki different organ tiyari korchi. Heart, kidney, that is your lungs, eguda सब tiyari korchi. Then it binds different organs along with the skeletal element. Skeletal element hochi ke amaro cartilage, bone eguda सब je achi, that is the structure है कि गोटे total, that is integrated structure, गोटे total body गठन करिवारे साहाय्य करूछि. So this is the most important, that is the tissue in our body which makes our body or which forms or which gives the shape of our body. Clear? तेणु connective tissue कौन कला ना different tissue को एकत्रित करिकी organ तैयारी कला. organ मान को धरिकी रखिकी तार skeletal element सहित गोटे integrated structure तैयारी कला. कौन तैयारी कला ना that is the binds and parts of the total body, that is forms the integrated structure. Are you understanding me or not? That is amar jo heart heichi, amar jo alimentary canal heichi, amar jo lungs heichi, heart bhitere jo muscle achi ta na hochi cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle को धरिकी किए रखिछि ना connective tissue. Connective tissue cardiac muscle मान को धरिकी गोटे organ तैयारी करछि, that is the heart. हार्ट लंग्स एगुड़ा को सब किए धरिकी रखिछि ना कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. कनेक्टिव टिश्यू धरिकी तार आमर ये जो स्केलेटल एलिमेंट रहा कार्टिलेज बोन या सहित सब मिसिकी कौन कला ब्लड फ्लड सब मिसिकी कौन कला गोटे स्ट्रक्चर तैयारी कला. इंटीग्रेटेड स्ट्रक्चर गोटे एनिमल तैयारी कला, गोटे कंप्लीट बा परिपूर्ण, दैट इज द स्ट्रक्चर तैयारी कला, दैट गोटे ऑर्गेनिज्म तैयारी कला हैला. जो दिस इज द, दैट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ द कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. Clear? So that is the, what is the characteristics? क्या को हमें connective tissue कहिबा एटा हला एक नंबर connective tissue काम. But to whom we will say the it is a connective tissue? जेमिति हमें epithelial tissue कहिले it is present on the basement membrane and that is the cells are very closely packed without having any intercellular spaces, or that is the, if the intercellular space is present then it is, that is the very small and it, so it contains a little amount of intracellular matrix. But here what is the characteristics? Here the cells of the connective tissue, they are present, that is separately, or that is a wide gap is present among the cells, that is a wide intercellular space is present, and that intercellular space is filled with, that is the intercellular fluid or matrix, intercellular matrix, intercellular matrix, and that matrix also contains some fibers, that is the net-like structures, these are called as the fibers. Clear? These are called as the fibers. These are called as the fibers. That is these are the cells and these are the intercellular matrix and this is the fibers. Clear? The cells and matrix are secreted or are originated from the cells. A cell manako through एगुड़ाक तैयारी होती, but the amount of matrix as well as the fiber is more than the cell. हला connective tissue रे cell ठारू matrix आउ fiber amount होची बेसी and they performs the major function. Clear? The function of intracellular matrix is maximum or more than that of the cells. Clear? So, and this is the cells. Clear? And the matrix which is formed of the protein and carbohydrates, the protein and plus carbohydrate to forms the mucopolysaccharide, mucopolysaccharides. And the main compound of the mucopolysaccharide is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acids. Are you understanding me or not? That is hyaluronic acids. Hyaluronic acid. That is the matrix is made up of the protein and carbohydrates and in the form of mucopolysaccharides. Clear? And the major compound of the mucopolysaccharide is the hyaluronic acid. Clear? Is hyaluronic acids. Clear? So that is this is, if anyone asks you that is what is the characteristics of a connective tissue, you will simply say that the connective tissue where the cells are present haphazardly and the cells are less but the matrix is more, or the intercellular space is more, which is filled with the fluid like structure called as the matrix, and that matrix contains the fibers. That matrix contains the fiber. These fibers are three types, that is white fibers, yellow fibers and reticular fibers. Clear? They are of three types. But these matrix as well as the fibers, they are synthesized or produced from the cells, And the matrix as well as the fibers, they form the major amount than that of the cells. The cell forms the minor amount, but the matrix and that is the fibers, that is forms the major amount. Matrix helps, that is performs more function, and the fibers gives that is the elasticity and strength to that is the body or to the tissue. Clear? Then that is the matrix is made up of protein and carbohydrate in the form of, or available in protein and carbohydrate in the form of polysaccharide, that is mucopolysaccharide, and that is the most important molecules of the mucopolysaccharide is hyaluronic acids. Clear? Where the fibers gives the elasticity and the flexibility or the strength to the connective tissue. Clear? Then that is here at the child, when we are at the childhood or in the child, that is the matrix amount or intracellular is more and fibers are less along with the cells. Clear? With the increase of the age, gradually the amount of matrix decreases, where the number of the fibers, the number and thickness of the fibers increases, as a result of which body loses its flexibility. Similarly, towards the old age, that is the blood supply to the different organ also decreases. That is the amount of the blood supply into the different organs also decreases due to the thickening of or due to the hardening of the connective tissue or connective layer or connective tissue in the blood vessels, due to that is the deposition of the calcium in that is the connective tissue. Clear? With the increase of the age, the major amount of that is the major protein is collagen protein, which is present in the white fibers, With the increase of the age, that is the collagen, the amount of collagen increases, and which causes the aging of the individual. Clear? Then you come to that is the function of the connective tissue. You come to the function of the connective tissue. So, are you clear or not? That is the epithelial tissue, where the cells develops from the ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm, but here the cells develops from the mesoderm. In case of the epithelial tissue, the cells are present on the basement membrane. Here there is no basement membrane. Here the cells are very closely packed with a little or without, that is intracellular space, but here the cells are, that is placed very widely, having a large amount of intracellular space, where the contains the matrix amount is more, the cell amount is less. The matrix contains the fiber. If anyone will ask you what are the constituent of the connective tissue, you will say that is the cell, matrix and the fiber. Cell, matrix and fiber. Matrix and fibers, they are synthesized from the cells. The matrix, that is the matrix, helps in interchange of substances, and the fibers gives the elasticity and strength to the, that is the strength to the connective tissue or to the body. Clear? Then that is at the early stage, the amount of matrix is more, the fibers are less. But with the increase of the age, the amount of matrix decreases with the, that is the increase of the number and thickness of the fibers. So the body gradually, that is, loses its flexibility. Clear? And towards the old age, the blood supply into the different organs also decreases. How? That is by the thickening of the blood vessel, where the calcium salt are deposited into the connective tissue of the blood vessel. Clear? Then, so naturally the aging will come. Towards the increase of the age, the aging will gradually increases. Then you come to the characteristics of this is the characteristics of the connective tissue. Then you come to that is the function of the connective tissue. Function of the connective tissue is connecting or the binding to different parts or different organs or different tissue to forms the organs. This is the first one is called as the binding. The first one is called as the binding. It helps to bind the different tissue to forms the organ and to different organs to forms the organism. Clear? Then after, it also gives a definite shape or form, that is the shape or structure to the organism. That means different shape or forms. That is, tome dekhithibo jetebale, that is the connect our skeleton, our bone, our skeleton, our konkala is also a connective tissue. Amar jau prakar bone shape hobo, sei prakar animal hobo. तमे देखिथिबो जतबेले दुर्गा पूजा होची, गणेश पूजा होची, बड़ बड़ मूर्ति होची, आगे गोटे कौन करा जाए ना, आगे गोटे कुटारे फ्रेम तैयारी करा जाए, दैट इज द स्केलेटन. आमर सेमिति गोटे बोन रो स्ट्रक्चर तैयारी होची, ता ऊपरे जेमिति काद छाटी देले मूर्ति तैयारी होची, सेमिति आमर मांस आउ रुई की आम गोटे ऑर्गेनिज्म तैयारी करछि. सो ए दैट इज द शेप ऑफ द बॉडी. इट गिव्स द डेफिनेट शेप और द स्ट्रक्चर टू द बॉडी. क्लियर? It also support to the body. It also support to the body. Then after, it stores the fat for the emergency use. आमर जो फैट कहूचे, फैट जो फैटी टिश्यू जो चर्बी रही है से जो सब अच्छी, इट इज ऑल्सो ए कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. द कनेक्टिव टिश्यू स्टोर्स द फैट फॉर आवर, दैट इज द emergency requirement. It also helps in storing of the, that is the fats, storing of fats. Clear? Then after you come to it also, that is helps to transport the different, that is the substances from one part to another part. Clear? ता माने blood, lymph एवडा होचंदी connective tissue. बुझछो कि fluid connective tissue, blood and lymph, they are the fluid connective tissue. Clear? They helps to transport the different, or that is the substances from one part to the other part of the body. गोटे पार्ट रो आ गोटे पार्ट को substance रा सप्लाई करिवारे एडा सहाय्य करूची. It helps to that is the transport the different substances from one part to another part. And it also behaves as a defensive organ. WBC जे ब्लड भितरे अछि, ये कौन करछि ना जर्म किबा टॉक्सिक जो सब्सटेंस तयारी होछि ताकू से नष्ट कर दोछि. It is also, that is the helps in immunity of the body. आमर प्रतिरोधक शक्ति बढ़ाइबारे साहाय्य करूछि. हला ता छडा it also helps in repairing and the cleaning of our body जोटी कौन कटुची छिड़ुची जो सेल माने मरुचंती ताकू सब से माने नष्ट करिवार सहाय्य करूचंती प्लस आम बॉडी रे क्षत स्थान को रिपेयरिंग करिवार सहाय्य करूचंती एंड इट आल्सो बिहेव्स ए इन्सुलेटिंग लेयर फैट है कि गोटे इन्सुलेटिंग ऊपर गोटे चमड़ा भाया फैट ऊपर रहिले आमर थर्मो रेगुलेशन करुच्ची आमर टेम्परेचर केते देखि गरम दिने ये जो मोटा छुआ मान को शीत दिन बेसी शीत लगे नहीं कारण तांकर फैट गोटे स्तर बॉडी उपरे रही सेटा थर्मो रेगुलेटर हिसाब से काम कर टेम्परेचर को बाहर को छाड़ापी दौ ना सो दिस आर द फंक्शन ऑफ कनेक्टिव टिश्यू फर्स्ट वन दैट इज द बाइंडिंग second one it gives definite shape and structure third one it helps to store the fat for the emergency use and the fourth one that is the helps in developing the immunity and it also protects that is the from the body from the germ as well as the toxic substances it also helps in the that is the repairing of the that is the wound repairing or the injury repairing of the body as well as it also forms a insulating layer over the body to regulate the temperature or act as a thermoregulator clear then after you come to that is this is all about the function this is the connective tissue this is the structure and function then you come to the types of connective tissue the types of connective tissue the connective tissue is of mainly three types depending upon its structure mainly the matrix that is first one the connective tissue proper that is the connective tissue proper that is the connective tissue proper then the second one this is called as the skeletal connective tissue skeletal connective tissue and the third one is fluid connective tissue the third one is called as the fluid connective tissue here you see in simply you can say that is the connective tissue proper where the matrix is jelly bhalia the matrix is जेली तामाने बेसी पानी नुहे कि बेसी नुहे मैट्रिक्सटा टिके जेली भलिया थिबो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द कनेक्टिव टिश्यू प्रॉपर व्हिच हेल्प्स टू कनेक्ट द डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स आ गोटे रही गला फंक्शन ला इट बिहेव्स एज ए पैकिंग मटेरियल जेमिति चखड़ी डिबारे चक आसुची ता मझिरे किए अच्छी ता मझिरे कागज गुंड थिबो नइले करत गुंड थिबो ओनली एज ए पैकिंग मटेरियल जेमिति चकड़ा भांगिबनी सेमिति ये अलगा टिश्यू गुडा को धरिकी कनेक्टिव टिश्यू कोन करची गोटे organ theory करची so it also behaves as a packing tissue it is in function so connective tissue proper then skeletal connective tissue where the matrix is hard which is that is by hardening of the matrix that is it will forms the either the bone or cartilage that is called as the skeletal connective tissue when the matrix is watery like that is called as the plasma it is in case of the blood or it is case of the lymph blood or lymph this is all about the three types of connective tissue proper skeletal connective tissue and fluid connective tissue depending upon the different types of the that is the structure or different or the that is depending upon the structure of the connective tissue where it depends upon mainly the nature of matrix with this that is the finishing the class today with this in the next class I will start connective tissue proper thank you to all clear